Hello, this is Jordan here at Pike Nursery, Roswell. I'm here to talk to you today about Panicle Hydrangeas or Hydrangea paniculata. A lot of you all are familiar with the macrophylla or the common hydrangea that blooms blue or pink, but not everyone is familiar with the sun-loving hydrangeas. The two most popular would be the limelight or the little lime. Those you see everywhere. They get these nice big white blooms that turn a nice lime green color as the season goes on. If you want a nice big size 8-foot one, you can go with the limelight, or if you're looking for something a little smaller, maybe 4 or 5 feet, you can go with the little lime. There's a wide selection of panicle hydrangeas. I also have a baby lace hydrangea. This blooms white. There's also some others like the vanilla strawberry or strawberry sundae that bloom white and turn more pink as the season goes on. These are a great shrub to plant it's this time of year because they'll continue to bloom through the summer into the fall, and you'll get some nice color out of them all the way until they go dormant in the winter. So as always, please stop into your local Pike Nursery. We're always happy to help with all of your plant needs.